Hello guys, welcome back to my new vlog. Today I'm going to review and going to talk about this all new 2021 Tata Safari. This car was first launched in 1998 and it was soon discontinued in December 2019. The old model of Tata Safari is still being produced by Tata only for Indian Army. This is new Tata Safari based on Harrier. As you can see, the design of this car is identical to the Harrier, but sudden changes have been done all over it. Gets a lot of chrome, of course, for the premium appeal. Humanity line LED DRLs with indicators, and we get this arrow treatment on the grille, which looks good. And we get this main headlights, which are xenon HIDs, quite powerful at the night, and fog lights also. Hold your breath. The weight of this car happens to be 1825 kgs. The hood is heavy and we get this Cryotech 170 written over there. And in this Safari we get a 2-liter turbocharged diesel engine which produces 168 bhp of power and 350 Nm of torque, and we get 6-speed gearbox in both automatic and manual variants. The side design of this car looks like Range Rover Discovery almost, and a mixture of Mercedes GLS in terms of size. It is humongous in size. So we get this 18 inches alloy wheel, which is now given in both Harrier and Safari. The same designed alloy wheels are given. Tata logo on the rims. Tire size happens to be 235 60 R18. We get an tubeless tire. Electronically adjustable and foldable side view mirrors with indicators, and we get all 4 disc brakes. There is some coating on the disc brakes which don't get rusted soon. Look of rear, we get this dual muffler design in silver finish. Rear fog light with reflectors, Tata Safari written over there, and piano black finish. Rear wiper with washer, high mount stop lamp with spoiler and rear camera. We get this lion family at the rear windshield for the forest look, and we get this signature twin tube 3D LED tail lamp which looks awesome. And the boot carrying capacity with all seats up is 73 liters, and we get this toolkit placement over here. Comes with jack and some tools. We get this boot lamp placement over there, and these seats are 50-50 split with third row seats down. The carrying capacity will be 750 liters. Look of the boot, and we get this 750 liters boot space now. AC vent on the C pillar, both the side for the third row passengers. AC controls, and we get this cup holders and little storage place. Get this same on the other side also, and we get this JBL subwoofer. The sound system on this car is awesome. You can go check out sound output of Bollywood and Kannada songs on Instagram. Tata offers 4 colors in Safari, which are Royal Blue, Tropical Mist, Daytone Grey, Oscar White, and the one which we are seeing here is the Royal Blue color. Let me open the fuel lid. The fuel tank capacity happens to be 50 liters, The roof rails is designed over Range Rover Discovery, which looks good. Safari written over there, chrome finish on the roof rails, and this roof rails also hide that sunroof. In terms of safety, we get anti-lock braking system, central locking, power door locks, child safety locks, anti-thief alarm, 6 airbags, day and night rear view mirror, xenon headlamps, seat belt reminder, door jar warning, side impact beams, front impact beams, traction control, adjustable seats, tire pressure monitoring system, engine immobilizer, crash sensor, central mounted fuel tank, engine check warning, automatic headlamps, ABS with EBD, and follow me home headlamp, rear camera, driver window, speed alert, ISOFIX child seat mounts, hill assist, hill descent control, impact sensing auto door lock, and we get 3 driving modes. Let's open the door. We get this chrome finish and request sensors. The door feel heavy. We get this dual tone interior, and we get this power window buttons, grab handles, 1 liter water bottle storage and storage place, speakers, and mirror adjustments. We get this full dual tone interior, signature Oyster white leather seats, and we get this steering wheel wrapped in leather. We get this cruise control buttons and controls for instrument cluster, controls for stereo, wiper controls, headlight and indicator controls, push button start, and this is the look of stereo, and we get this instrument cluster, both digital and analog system. We get this tachometer. The graphics on this is good. Shows informations like distance to empty, insta fuel, mileage, trip meter, power and torque consumption, tire pressure monitoring system, cruise control, and these are the AC vents. We get this JBL Twitter placement there, and automatic AC controls, hazard light button, fog light controls, and stereo controls, and we get this 7-inch TFT display, which is easy to use, and we can browse through a lot of informations, and also supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, aux, USB, Bluetooth, and we can go through this drive next option, and this also supports 360-degree camera, and we can see this wireless charging pad, drive modes control. We get this 3 driving mode option, which are wet, sand, rough, and also we get this hill assist system, and 6-speed automatic gearbox, cup holders there, automatic hand brakes, and little storage place there, storage place under the armrest, and 2 USB port and 1 12-volt charging port, and the armrest is adjustable. We get this SRS airbag and glove box, which is illuminated and also cooled. We get this automatic IRVM controls, and sun blinds. We don't get any mirror in sun blinds, but we get this mirror on the passenger side sun blind, airbag warning over there, and grab handles, and these are the cabin lights which are LED and pretty bright and looks good. The mic placement over there. These are the controls for sunroof. If you press it once, it opens the complete sun blind and sunroof also. This is actually big. It's a big sunroof and it brings around a airy feeling inside the cabin which feels very nice. And this is the dashboard look. We get this steering wheel wrapped in leather finish, and the steering wheel can be adjusted in both tilt and telescopic ways, which is also a nice touch. And we get this pedals. This is an automatic variant, and buttons for stereo control. Automatic IRVM, which is quite useful at night in highways. These are the controls and settings for the music system. We get this 9-speaker JBL system in the Safari. We get lot of options of sound mode, which is pretty nice touch. Come, let's hear the sound output of JBL system. Let's open the rear door. We get this same chrome finish. The door feels heavy, and we get this soft touch on the door. Feels premium. And grab handles, chrome finish, tweeters, speakers, and we get this captain seats. And we do get this option of 8-seater. We get this individual armrest, and going at the rear is a task, but the rear comfort is quite decent, not pretty good for long trips for adults who are above 5.7. We get this cup holders, subwoofer, and under tie support is lacking, and even knee room and leg room, and the middle row is very spacious. We get lot of space, and knee room and leg room are very good. AC vents on the pillar, which is a good touch, and we get this individual armrest on the both the side, and we get this some storage place and silver finish over there, and sunroof which is massive, grab handles and reading lights. SRS airbag, hooks are given on the both the side, even grab handles, LED reading light, and the rear seat comfort is nice. Thank you for watching my video. If you had got it useful, please do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram for latest updates, and even don't forget to subscribe to our Kannada channel.
It's all about humanity.